A lot of times an engagement with ImageQuest starts on a bad note. And what I mean by that is we get the call, it's crisis management, the flag's gone up, and the call might go something like this. Oh my gosh, one of my employees clicked on a bad link, they entered their credentials, and now my employee's credentials have been compromised. What do we do next? And so our first answer to them is call your cyber insurance company and let's get them involved as quickly as we can. Secondly, let's get our IT team involved and let's lock that system down and let's make sure that we've turned that user's access off to everything. The third thing that we want to do, depending on how long ago that may have happened, is probably go ahead and have every user in the organization, depending on the size of your organization, do a password reset. Now, if you've got multi-factor authentication or some other things in place, you may not need to go to that extreme. And if you have an incident response plan, it's going to guide a lot of these activities that you're going to take. But again, if you don't have an incident response plan, you've never really game theoried this, and this is just happening to you for the very first time, the first two things you do, lock down that user, make sure they're kicked out of every system and they have to do a forced password reset. And secondly, call your cyber insurance carrier because they're going to play quarterback from that point forward and drive the ball for you.